guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fuzzy Unicorn, and today I'm gonna be opening up Twisty Pets. Yay! Like I think like the first or second or third video, we opened Twisty Pets, and I think you guys liked that video, and so I guess I'm making another one. So let's get started. Actually, my brother, he's 16, yeah. He loves Twisty Pets. Well, he doesn't love them. He just thinks they're pretty cool. So I gave him one of them in my last video. He started to get to know them like about last night. Yeah. I'm trying to be a little quiet because my dog right there, my new puppy, it's so small. You might have saw in the last video I gave you guys like a few facts about it. And it sleeps a lot and stuff. And guess what? It's sleeping right now. I don't think I need scissors for this. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay, let's see. We got Tinky Puppy, Winky Puppy, Roly Panda, and Poly Panda. Very Poly, Twinky, Winky. Take out Twinkie Puppy. No, I don't really know how to turn back into a pet. But I'll show you guys that. Alright guys, so you can just pull the head and the tail, and then it sticks into two. Oh, I see. In the last video we got Buzzy Panda, Wuzzy Panda, Buttons Kitty, and Bo's Kitty. Okay, that one's really cute. It's like a This is Pinky Puppy. Boop. Oh, it even came with a gem. That's pretty cool. Now we got Poly Panda. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, that one really came out. Now this is Winky Puppy. Doesn't really match because like the blue, doesn't really like that one because it's like that one's like a darker blue, this one's more lighter, but I understand they have like light colors. I mean, here we got really cute one. And oh no, I messed it up. Okay. Anyway, like, isn't that so cool? I don't really know how to turn it back into a pet. You just pull its head and boom, like that. And doggy's so cute. Oh, it smells the same, but more lavender. And it smells like a wet dog. Basically wet dog. Okay. I used to get to know Twisty Pets about last year. I thought I saw an ad of it, and I thought it looks pretty cool. And comment down below what your favorite toy is. And also, comment down below what your favorite Twisty Pet is. Mine is probably gonna be the cutest, like the ones that come with each other, like the panda and the panda go with each other, is the unicorn ones. Marley, if you guys don't know, I'll tell them to you. So we got Scoops Kitty, Boots Kitty, Daisy Puppy, Maisie Puppy, Twinkie Puppy, Winky Puppy, Rolly Panda, Polly Panda, Jingles Unicorn, Jangles Unicorn, Millie Puppy, Tilly Puppy, Fuzzy Panda, Wuzzy Panda, Buttons Kitty, Bows Kitty, Cuddles Kitty, Puddles Kitty, Tick Unicorn, Talk Unicorn, Marley Unicorn, Harley Unicorn, Ruffles Panda, Truffles Panda. Okay. This will probably, I don't really know. I think it's just like a charm pacifier. I can't believe they did pacifier. That's so funny. I think they, yeah. Comment down below what your favorite color charm is. Mine, actually, in the last video, so, with Twisty Pets, I think it was, the purple one. So this will probably close it off. Make sure you already said that, give this video a big thumbs up, and, this is hard. And let's see if we can get to, let's see, 10 million subscribers. And make sure you like, ring that bell. I don't know if I told you guys already, I forgot. Comment down below what your favorite Twisty Pets are. And comment down below what your favorite color charm is. Alright, that will probably close it off. Okay. Bye!